mushrooms! Holy smokes! Hi everybody, and we are the Truffle Trios, and we are starting a new video called The Mushroom Vlogs!
In the days of COVID, we're spending a lot of time at home. That means we're exploring in the yard a lot. This fall, we started seeing mushrooms popping up everywhere, and we started wondering what they were and how we would even figure out what they were. Now I've grown up in the Pacific Northwest, and I've always been interested in the idea of foraging. I have about an average to slightly above average level of knowledge relating to native plants, but virtually no knowledge about mushrooms.
Being at home has its upsides. And no commute to and from work, that means I have a lot more time to do cooking. Mushrooms have always been a part of our diet, but until recently, we considered chanterelle mushrooms as being exotic. Our eyes have been open to new mushroom types, like the blue or the pink oysters, hedgehogs. We've even had an opportunity to experiment with the elusive morels. I'm allergic to shellfish, something I discovered at a young age, and my memories of lobster and crab have never been great. On this channel, we will explore the mushroom recipes that can replace animal products, such as swapping lobster mushrooms for the actual lobsters or bringing in lion's mane as a substitute for crab. So what do you think?
So I think we should actually do some cooking with mushrooms and mushroom art. And we are gonna try some mushroom crafts.
Since we're stuck at home and we can't do a lot of the things we normally would, we figured it's time to start a new hobby. Here on Mushroom Logs, we will bring you with us on our journey exploring the world of mushrooms. We will share our experiences around growing and cultivating mushrooms, both inside and outside. We'll be taking on journeys with us safely hunting for wild mushrooms. We'll even have some fun in the kitchen, preparing dishes other than the cream of mushroom soup.
In the mushroom vlogs, we can help speed up your mushroom experiments by learning from our mistakes so that you can avoid them. The mushroom logs will show you how we progress as hobbyists, learning and experimenting. As you start your own mushroom hobby, please do your own research before consuming any mushrooms, as many mushrooms can be poisonous and even lethal. In the mushroom logs, we want to explore a new hobby together. So what do we want people to do?
We want you to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell to receive more notifications.
And put comments down below. In our next episode, we will show you our new indoor mushroom growing kit and how to set it up.
And
our mushroom logs that we got for outside growing. We hope you'll follow us.
pretty cool. So am I starting now? Hi everybody. So you can call me Dog Dino and Dragon Master because I know tons about it. So just call me that.